Hey, we're going to talk about choosing songs for your demo. I'm taking for granted that you or somebody in your band writes lyrics. I'm going to talk a little bit about how to choose your best song. You need to know your audience, number one. Everybody has a different taste. A guy from New York is going to have a different taste than a guy from LA. A guy from South Dakota is going to have a way different taste than a guy from Texas. So if you're a country band, if you like country music, then obviously you're going to focus on country songs. If you're a rock band, you've got that rock vibe, you want to emulate some sort of a rock thing, you're going to have to choose lyrics that go along with that rock sound. But go to people that are your acquaintances or people at work and say, hey man, what do you think about these lyrics and what do you think about this music? Let them listen to it for a little bit. Let them just kind of chill with it. Maybe give them just an impromptu concert or something like that so they can see it, or give them a sheet of lyrics so that they can see what you're writing. Always take criticism. A writer always writes. Continue to write. And a good song is not just written. A good song is rewritten. So take that time to go through and be really serious about, man, is this song flowing good? Do I have a good hook? And a hook is something where it grabs the person, and that can be either lyrically or it could be musically. Take a listen to this song called Evidence that I wrote, and the hook is in the audio. Listen to it right here. So you can see in that song, the song is called Evidence. When it goes to the chorus, there's this really, whoa, where's it going type of thing. That's the hook that grabs them and brings them in. Make sure you do get other people to listen to what you're doing. Even better, get into a studio and have a producer listen to some of your lyrics and let him rip them up and give them back to you with a red marker all over them. It's the best way to learn how to write lyrically. Musically, man, it's a taste thing. Everybody has their own taste. Just do what you do and do it well.